Mr. Lee, Mr. Vishal, Mr. Umar Naji, Mr. M. Shine. Now with time. Miss Joyce, Mr. Malik Saad, Miss Mini, and Mahbub. Mr. Hemant, Mr. Abdur Rahman, Mr. Rana and Vineet, Mr. Khalid, Miss Hajar, Mr. Muhammad Tayyib Bashir, Mr. Taimur, Mr. Muhammad Ismail Ali, Mr. Nabil Fatih Zaini, Mr. Muhammad Majdi, Mr. Umair Shahzad, Mr. Umar Khatak, Amjad Raja.
What to do in case of emergency? So we noted that at 9 we raised up the fire emergency alarm, and we got very good time that within 4 minutes everybody evacuated and they reached to the assembly point area. Now I will just explain to you, in case of fire, whatever you will get any fire emergency alarm, first of all stop the work, close your computers if it is possible, immediately evacuate to the assembly point area. Do not get panic in case of emergency. If you will get panic, okay, and you cannot easily reach to the assembly point area. If you are in a high-rise building and the city, don't use the lift. Always use the staircase and reach to the assembly point area. Whenever you will evacuate from your building, shout loudly, fire, fire, fire. Because the people, those are working with you or those are sitting in the offices, and that there is a fire. And while leaving the building, you can see it, there is a triangle of the fire. So basically the fire is the component of the three components. This is the oxygen, fuel, and any of the one component from it, the fire will be extinguished or use the fire extinguisher. Now this gentleman will show. This is the dry powder fire extinguisher commonly used in the construction industry. So first of all, whenever you are going to use the fire extinguisher, you should check it. Its pin must be on the green side. If it is on the green, it means you can use this type of the fire extinguisher. But if it is on the red, you cannot use this type of the fire extinguisher. Second one, CO2 fire extinguisher. So CO2 fire extinguisher mostly used in the kitchen. So dry powder we can use on the combustible type of the fire. Now we will give you the original demo how to use a fire extinguisher in case of the fire. Enter inside the building, you just see the green color signs for the exit. As now you can see there is a fire. Now this gentleman, Mr. Junaid, he will tell you how to use a fire extinguisher. First of all, it is written, pull the pin. He will maintain some distance and he will aim the nozzle on the base of the fire. Then he will squeeze and sweep. 1, 2, 3, go. And when he is fire extinguishing, he is focused on the base of the fire. The fire has been extinguished properly. Then you can learn how to use the fire extinguisher. The method is very simple. That is, pull the pin, aim on the base of the fire will be extinguished. The demo, how to use the fire blanket in case of the fire. So in this demo, we are going to remove one component of the fire, that is the oxygen. As you can see, the fire is started. Now these two gentlemen have one blanket and they are covering the fire. When they cover the fire, the oxygen has been removed. There is no route for the oxygen. So now the fire has been extinguished automatically. Can you check it? This is very easy method, but you should learn the fire. If you know how to use the fire extinguisher, if you know how to use the fire blanket, this will work for you and it will protect hundreds of the lives. Okay? Thank you very much. Now you can go to your offices. Always consider on the safety and the purity. Safety? I cannot hear. Safety? Yes. Loudly. Safety? Yes. From client side I cannot hear. Safety? Yes. Thank you very much.